Hi, my name is Matthew Peasy, and I'm going to show you how to remove skin highlights using Photoshop. It's not uncommon to have a portrait with areas that are overexposed, but fortunately, that's an easy correction inside of Photoshop. In this image, the model has some skin highlights, and we want to go ahead and get rid of them. To get rid of them, we're going to use something called the Burn tool. The Burn tool is located underneath the Dodge tool. Here inside the Tools panel, the Dodge tool is this black lollipop looking tool. If you click and hold down, you'll see the Burn tool. With the Burn tool selected, up towards the top in the options bar, you can choose a brush size, and then you can choose what you want to modify: shadows, midtones, or highlights. In this case, we're going to go with highlights. The exposure setting is essentially the tool's sensitivity. I'll leave it set to 50%. There's no right answers here, and honestly, you're probably going to have to experiment. I'm going to go ahead and increase the brush size a little bit by using the right bracket key on the keyboard. Then I'm going to click and drag down this highlight. Now as I do that, you'll see that the modification was a little too intense. So I'm going to go ahead and undo that, Command Z or Control Z, and we're going to drag the exposure slider to the left so the tool's a little less dramatic. Then you can come in and click and drag on those highlights to remove them.